This is a 2017 Toyota Tundra SR5 double cab with the TRD off-road package. This got brakes all the way around, brand new. Has a backup camera. The 6.5-foot bed is Linexed, as well as featuring the tonneau cover that you can see here. Continuing to go around, you can see the condition is very good for the age. Going on the inside, you can see the adjustable lower glass, heated on the side, controlled by the button right in here. You have your controls for the center screen for your phone, power mirrors, trailer brake controller, decently sized center console storage area, power driver seat including two-way lumbar support. There is upgraded storage behind. You pull this lever, there's a 60-40 split back here, and you have the storage tub in the back that's mirrored over there. Cup holders here, 12-volt there. The rear window is manually sliding to open. This truck has Toyota's legendary iForce 5.7 liter V8, legendary for its reliability and longevity. This truck is here, it is available, and it is affordable. This will last you a long time, and it's worth checking out.